Trump administration seeks Supreme Court approval to fire whistleblower agency chief. The Trump administration has filed an emergency appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, seeking permission to fire Hampton Dellinger, the head of the Office of Special Counsel, after a lower court temporarily reinstated him following his dismissal on February 7, 2025. Dellinger, appointed by President Biden, initiated legal action claiming his termination was unlawful as he could only be removed for specific reasons such as inefficiency or misconduct, none of which were cited in his dismissal notice. The Trump administration argues that lower court rulings infringe upon presidential authority and threaten the separation of powers, asserting that these decisions hinder Trump's ability to manage the executive branch effectively. A federal district court judge had previously granted Dellinger a temporary restraining order, TRO, allowing him to resume his duties while litigation is ongoing, citing concerns over the independence essential for his role. The Justice Department contends that preventing Trump from exercising his executive powers inflicts significant harm on governance during the early days of his administration, emphasizing the urgency of their appeal. This case could set a significant precedent regarding the president's authority to dismiss heads of independent agencies, challenging existing norms that limit such actions without just cause. Legal analysts suggest that this case may test the conservative majority of the Supreme Court, particularly given Trump's previous appointments to the bench. Dellinger's role involves protecting whistleblowers and enforcing ethical standards within the government, raising questions about public interest and accountability if he is removed without just cause. The Supreme Court is expected to review the case after President's Day, with a decision potentially influencing future executive actions and challenges related to personnel decisions within federal agencies.